What's up with it, y'all? Pulled up all the way to my home city, Pine Bluff, Arkansas. I went to a food truck I've never been to. It's called Mexico Lindo Taqueria, and I hope it's good. Not gonna lie to you, I kind of already bit it and know that this birria taco is good because I was so hungry. But I got some birria and I got a regular street taco, and I'm gonna sample both for y'all. And I got some sauces and stuff. I'm gonna see how hot this sauce is before I put it on there. They gave me some that. Ooh, it's too hot. That's why I didn't gonna try to just do any no thing. The green hot too, but not as hot as that orange. Ooh, oh my goodness. Got some consomme. That's good enough to drink like soup. Not like you drink soup, but I'm just saying it's good. All right, come on, buddy, yeah. It's good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Man. Super good. Wow. I'm gonna try street taco. Yeah, I love tacos. I love street tacos, Mexican tacos, American tacos, stove tacos, rotel tacos. That's good. Not gonna lie to you, they both good. But that birria, it smacked. I'm gonna give him a big old 10 on the birria, and the street taco, about an 8.